Hi there. In this video on PMN Online, we are going to cover how to automatically convert uploaded files to Google Docs format in Google Drive. Imagine this scenario. You're constantly dealing with different types of files, and you wish there was a way to make them all seamlessly compatible with Google's suite of productivity tools. Well, the good news is that Google Drive has a feature that can automatically convert your uploaded files into Google's native formats, such as Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. This can be a game changer for anyone who wants to keep their workflow smooth and efficient. By setting this up, you'll save time and ensure that all your documents are easily editable and shareable within the Google ecosystem. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow to enable this functionality. First, open Google Drive in any web browser you prefer. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like. Once you're in Google Drive, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see a gear-shaped icon. This is your Settings button, and it holds the key to customizing how Google Drive works for you. Click on this gear icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From the options listed in this menu, select the one that says Settings. This will open up a new dialog box, which is essentially a control panel for your Google Drive preferences. Now, within this Settings dialog box, you're going to look for a specific section. This section might be labeled Convert Uploads or something similar, like Convert Uploaded Files to Google Docs Editor format. This is the setting responsible for handling automatic file conversions. Once you've located this section, you'll see an option accompanied by a checkbox that reads something along the lines of Convert Uploaded Files to Google Docs Editor format. Your next step is to click on this checkbox. By doing this, you're telling Google Drive to automatically convert files like docx, XLSX, or PPTX into Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides, respectively, whenever you upload them. After you've checked that box, there's one more important step to finalize your changes. At the bottom of the Settings dialog box, you'll see a button that says either Done or Save. Click on this button to confirm and apply the changes you've made. This action will ensure that your preference is saved for all future file uploads. From now on, every time you upload a file that's compatible with Google's formats, it will be automatically converted. This means you can enjoy the convenience of editing your documents directly online and take advantage of Google's collaboration features like real-time editing and commenting. This simple setup can save you considerable time and effort, allowing you to focus more on your actual work rather than the tedious process of manual file conversions. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've configured Google Drive to handle file conversions automatically, boosting your productivity and making collaboration easier than ever before. Hopefully, this tutorial on PMN Online helped you understand how to automatically convert uploaded files to Google Docs format in Google Drive quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this one, be sure to subscribe.